Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I use this beautiful, gorgeous palette. This is the iluvsarahii X Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, and I've already used this on my channel once, but it's just so pretty and it's Colourpop, so it's pretty affordable. So I wanted to do like a Valentine's Day look with this palette for you guys. I just wanted to do another look with it in general, but since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and hopefully a lot of you guys have this palette because it's super bomb and affordable, like I said already. So I was thinking a lot of you guys could create this look, and I also kept the rest of the face really affordable. So yeah, I'm really excited for this video because I really like how everything came out. So if you want to see how I achieved this really pretty Valentine's Day makeup look using affordable makeup products, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by using this P. Louise base for my eyes. I just realized I grabbed the lighter shade, so this is like really bright, but it's alright. And I usually use Original Rumor shade. I had bought in two when I purchased them just because I didn't know like how the shades were gonna look on my skin, so I didn't want to like order the wrong shade, and like since it's like international shipping, you know, like I wanted to make sure I ordered the right shades, so I ordered two. But you guys seem to like this background, so I'm trying it out again. My eyes look really white right now. I'm just gonna bring some of this up just to kind of clean a little bit, because I'm probably going to bring the eyeshadow up pretty high. I don't usually bring the base up this high, but I might do something dramatic, so just in case. I did my face makeup already, but even for my face, like, I did it off camera, but I still used like really affordable products. So I want to link them down below, but hopefully I don't forget. Sometimes it's not even that I forget, I just don't have time like when I'm uploading to write everything, so then I like don't do it when I upload and I want to go back and do it later, and I forgot what products like I used in the video. So I need to start like writing down the products that I'm using like when I film. So if I don't do it right away, I can go back and like edit the description, you know? Okay, this is looking like super white, but it's okay because I feel like it's going to help the eyeshadows pop out a little more. But we're going to be going in with the iluvsarahii Through My Eyes palette. And I told you guys I was going to use this palette again. So that's what we're going to do. And there's like some pink shades in here, so I wanted to use that. And I think I'm going to start off with my Morphe M441, and I'm going to go in with In a Wink and just dust that in the crease and kind of bring it a little high as well. And I always like to pack it on first and then blend it out once I have like a good amount of product on. And the shadow's kind of interesting because it has like a sheen to it, like there's little sparkles, but like you can't really see it when you apply it that much, so it works as like a transition shade or in the crease. You know how you don't really want to put like shimmer shades up there? It's not like that kind of shimmer shade. I did my face makeup first just so I could focus like this video on the eyes, but I'm still gonna do like my blush and highlight on camera. And I kind of tried to like contour my nose a little bit, so if it looks kind of funny, because I never contour my nose really, I try to avoid putting like any product on there just because my nose is super dry. Like sometimes it's hard to even put foundation on my nose just because it really looks that bad. So I try to avoid putting any product on there. Like, I know people like cake on concealer on their nose, but like I truly cannot do that. So I tried contouring a little bit, I don't know, just because I felt like trying it. But it looks a little funny, so I definitely need to practice that a little bit more. Maybe try like cream products since I'm super dry, especially in the winter. Okay, I think this is pretty good for like the transition shade. I think I'm gonna start going in with Nostalgia right here. It's a little bit more of a deeper pink. And start putting that into the crease. And this is a T50 brush from the Makeup Shack. I think I'm going to take some of this Lomo shade right here. It has a bit of a sheen to it too, but I want like a really bright pink shade, you know? So I'm going to try to brighten this up, maybe put it more in here. Oh, this is pretty. It has, yeah, you can definitely see the sheen a little bit more in this shade. So I don't know if I should bring this out or keep it more in the center part of the lid. I think I might have brought that up a little too high. I'm just going to start doing the same on the other eye and see how this turns out. I think I'm going to start taking Misbehave right here. It's like a more like kind of burgundy shade with like purple and pink in it. I'm going to start putting this into the outer corner. I'm just using the same brush. I might switch it. And I'm slightly bringing this into the crease. Do the same on the other eye. Okay, I kind of want to deepen the outer edge up a little more, but I don't know if this purple will ruin it because that's like the only kind of deep shade I can use that's deeper than this one. Because I still want it to be pink, you know, I don't want to, I think I'm going to take like a really tiny amount of the purple. Really tiny. And slowly build it up. I don't want it to be too purple, you know? And I'm still using the, wait, did I even tell you guys this name? This was the T36 brush. I don't think I said that. Okay, I think that looks a little better. I just want some more like definition over here. Okay, so this is what we're working with. So I think I'm going to start working on the inner corner, and I'm just going to take this flat brush right here. It's from MAC, and the name kind of wore off, but I think it says 289. This is kind of old, so I don't know if it's like still available, but I'm going to spray some Mario Badescu spray. You can use whatever spray. And I'm going to take this Lucido shade right here and start applying this to the inner corner. Okay, now going back in with this pink shade to blend these edges. All my brushes just fell out of the little cup holder. I don't know how I feel about this. It looks kind of funny with gold. I think I might take some of this ColourPop. It's like a pink, like sparkly, purpley, super shocked shadow. This is Frog. I might try putting some of this on top because it's like, I don't know how I feel about the gold. Oh, that looks really pretty. I feel like this just looks weird on camera. I'm not sure if you can tell how that looks. Okay, taking a brush just to get the parts up here that I couldn't get with my finger. Okay, I think this looks way better than it was when it was just the gold. Okay, so I popped on some lashes off camera. These are iconic lashes from House of Lashes. They're so bomb and they're super affordable. They're like $12, I'm pretty sure. Then I did the lower lash line with Nostalgia and Misbehave. I just dusted a little in the lower lash line. And I used my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara for the bottom lashes. So now I'm going to do my blush and highlight. So I have these two pink ones, Wet n Wild and Maybelline. I think I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild just because I haven't used these in a while. This is Blossom Glow. Okay, this highlight looks a little bit more of like a purple, like white, like iridescent highlight. So I think I'm going to take a little bit of the Master Chrome Rose Gold highlight and hopefully it's a little bit more like pinkish. These highlights are super intense though and like blend out really nicely for the price. Okay, since this one was really bright, I'm going to go in with this one in the inner corner, just on my pinky. Oh, and also I set my brows with the ColourPop Clear Brow Gloss Gel. So now I'm taking this Milani blush. You guys know I have been obsessed with this one. This is in Bella Bellini, and it's a really pretty, like, pinky corally peach blush. I think it will go good with this. Plus it gives like a really nice glow. I like taking my blush on the nose and a little bit on the forehead as well. Okay. For lips, I'm going to take this What's Your Sign Luxe Cream Liquid Lipstick, or Luxe Creme from ColourPop. It's just a really pretty nude. And then also from the Zodiac collection, this is the Moonchild lip gloss. It's also a nude lip gloss. And I'm just going to quickly spray my face. Okay, so this is the completed look. I think I'm just going to take my hair out so you guys can see how it will look. looks like with the hair down. Okay, my hair is kind of crazy right now, but I just wanted you guys to see how it looks like with the hair down. But this is the completed look using the Through My Eyes ColourPop palette with iluvsarahii. I told you guys I wanted to do more looks with this palette. I thought it would be perfect to do like an affordable Valentine's Day look, and I did use affordable products for the rest of my face, even for the products that I used off camera. So hopefully I don't forget to link those down below. If I do, someone just attack me so I can do it. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my little family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!